Bakit hindi natutupad yung mga dasal natin? Simply, sabihin lang natin, bakit hindi binibigay ng Panginoon yung hinihingi natin? 3 reasons. Number 1, it may not be good for you. Number 2, it's not the right time yet. And number 3, God is cooking something better and more beautiful than what you ask for. Because God is an all-knowing God. He knows what is best for you. The lesson is, tayong mga tao, huwag tayong magtatampo. Huwag tayong maging impatient kung hindi pa binibigay ang hinihingi natin sa Panginoon dahil it could be na hindi pa tamang panahon. God knows the perfect timing. Or, hindi ibibigay ng Panginoon yung makakasama sa iyo. It's not good for you. Or, prepare ka ng Panginoon, maghintay ka lang because God is creating something more beautiful and far better than what you asked for. Let's go back to your basic question. Bakit hindi binibigay ng Panginoon yung dinarasal natin, hinihingi natin sa dasal? Allow me to answer you straightforwardly. Siguro hindi ka humingi ng makakabuti sa'yo at makakapasaya sa Panginoon. Maliban lang sa mababaw. It could be selfish. Baka sabihin mo, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng magandang asawa or whatever. I mean, humanly speaking, wala namang masama dun. Sana malano ako sa luto para hindi na ako magtrabaho. Makakabuti ba yan sa'yo? Pero, bibigyan ko kayo ng example. I may be wrong again. Sorry. Pero to my mind, to my heart, kung magdarasal lang tayo ng ganito, Lord, you are my merciful, my loving Father. Hindi mo ako ipapahamak. Please, Lord, give me the grace to submit my will to your will. Because your will is always the best and the most beautiful thing in life. And give me the grace to surrender my entire self, my whole life completely. You know what is best for me. Give me something that will make me happy and will also make you happy. Give me something that will motivate me and give me the power to help more people. Mabilis pa sa alas 4, bibigyan sa'yo. Dahil ang hiningi mo ay hindi selfish, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, para sa iba at para din sa ikasasaya ng Panginoon.